Hello students, today we all have learned about chapter Principle of Inheritance. In the previous seasons we all have learned about the chromosomal theory of inheritance and sex determination in animals. Today the topic is role of T.H. Morgan in genetics. Role of T.H. Morgan in genetics. T.H. Morgan means Thomas Hunt Morgan. Scientist name is Thomas Hunt Morgan. तो यहां कहा जा रहा है कि टी.एच. मॉर्गन का जेनेटिक्स में क्या रोल रहा. इन द टुडे द टी.एच. मॉर्गन is known as the father of modern genetics. Father of modern genetics. He done various work in the genetics which are useful for livings. T.H. Morgan study on the Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster. Drosophila melanogaster, the fruit fly. Fruit fly. Drosophila melanogaster. The other name is fruit fly. The Morgan used Drosophila for his experiment. Why? Because the Drosophila easily cultured in the laboratory, and second is it composed of numbers of characters and its lifespan is very short, nearly 2 weeks or 14 days. Due to this, in the 1 year, its numbers of generation easily studied. T.H. Morgan deeply worked in the linkage and recombination, the cross between two different species of the Drosophila, male and female, and find numbers of variation. Dihybrid cross, they observed that if the linkage is loosely, if the genes linkage is very loosely, then the percentage of recombination is very high. And if the genes are tightly packed, then the recombination is very slow. The recombination percentage or rate is very slow or very low. The conclusion that the main ideas of T.H. Morgan. What is linkage? Linkage. The physical association of two genes is called linkage. Recombination. The physical association of two genes on a chromosomes is known as the recombination. Means एक जीन्स दूसरे जीन्स से टूट करके एक दूसरे जीन्स नेक्स्ट जीन्स से जब जुड़ता है तो एक नया कॉम्बिनेशन बनता है और इसी को कहते हैं रिकॉम्बिनेशन। मल्टीपल एलिलिज्म। Multiple allelism means, multiple means many alleles, numbers of alleles or numbers of genes. When the any traits or any characters are controlled by more than one genes is known as multiple allelism. When the any characters or traits is controlled by more than one genes or alleles, this phenomena is known as the multiple allelism. Examples of multiple allelism is ABO blood grouping. ABO blood grouping in humans. In humans, the blood group is controlled by the 3 genes. The genes are made up of specific glycoproteins, glycoprotein A, glycoprotein B, and if the glycoprotein is not present, known as recessive genes. So based on the presence or absence of glycoproteins, various genotypes are present in the blood group. For example, blood group genotype. Blood group A genotype और ये दो जीनोटाइप ब्लड ग्रुप की, लोकस ए अथवा लोकस ए एंड लोकस ओ। इन द प्लेस ऑफ ओ आई आर आल्सो यूज्ड। ब्लड ग्रुप बी ब्लड ग्रुप ए बी की एक जीनोटाइप होती है, लोकस ए लोकस। ब्लड ग्रुप O, it has no any glycoproteins, recessive genotype. It cannot express the protein, glycoprotein A or B. You do know this is the recessive genes. Based on using of these genotypes, we can calculate or know the probabilities in the next generation of the offsprings. Example, if the cross makes between blood group A and blood group B, blood group A, blood group BL, B, BL, A. Then the genotype A, locus A, locus B, here the possibility is AB blood group. The probability is 100% is AB blood group, and the other possibility is दूसरी जीनोटाइप से नेक्स्ट जीनोटाइप Here is AB blood group, B blood group, A blood group and O ओ ब्लड ग्रुप, चारों में से कोई भी प्रेजेंट हो सकता है। तो बाय यूजिंग these genotype we calculate or know the possibilities of the blood group in their children. This is known as the multiple allelism.